Since 1986, Venture Window has been helping homeowners throughout Rhode Island and Massachusetts improve their homes with quality products and expert craftsmanship. What began with founders Bruce Schulbaum and John Mills personally handling every installation has grown into one of the region's most trusted home improvement companies, proudly serving more than 200,000 customers. While the company has grown, its commitment has remained the same, providing homeowners with honest guidance, expert installation, and the knowledge they need to make informed decisions with confidence. Today, a visit to the Venture Window showroom gives homeowners the opportunity to explore a wide selection of products, ask questions, and find the right solution for their home with a team dedicated to helping them every step of the way. For more information or to hire a professional, visit our website at venturewindow.com.